Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you something very basic, removing and reinstalling a four-wheel drive actuator indicator. It'll be super easy, I can do it and you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we're underneath the vehicle and we found our four-wheel drive actuator. Here's our indicator switch right here. This is the electrical that leads to it. Just grab this right here, give it a nice little tug. Comes right off. You check your connectors, make sure they look good, no funny colors. We'll set that aside. We're going to use a 22 or you can use a 7/8 wrench to remove this. Turn it to the left counterclockwise. So there's our indicator. When you shift it into four-wheel drive, there's a shaft inside here, comes sliding over, bonk, pushes this in, flips on the light up top, and says, hey, you're in four-wheel drive. Looks like it's fairly easy to do. We're just gonna clean this up. If you have a brand new one, of course you would put in a new one. If you're just taking this one out to inspect it, you're gonna put a little bit of thread sealant on there, and we'll reinstall it. Just gonna go with a quick layer of thread sealer on here, just because there is a little bit of differential oil inside this, because it comes up inside here and it runs through this tube. So we get that on there. Just gonna start this into the threads there. Just thread this down as far as we can go, and we're gonna bottom it right out. Okay, bottomed out. Just give it a teeny bit more and that's it. Grab our electrical. If you wanted to, you could put a little bit of dielectric grease in there. It's a special kind of grease that allows current. I'm just gonna connect this in. We got it locked in right there. Give it a nice tug. Awesome. Well, that's it. Easy peasy. Down the road you go, friends.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.